Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. For today, mag-unbox ulit tayo ng isang resin figure from Dragon X Pop Studio, Black Maria. Black Maria is one of the Tobiropo under Kaido's Beast Pirates, consists of 6 members including Page 1, Ulti, X-Drake, Sasaki, Who's Who, and of course Black Maria. Really excited for this figure and I really appreciate the art box. Napakaganda. And hindi rin kabigatan yung figure, so let's open it. So, eto na guys, may mga part tayo na sinensor as you can see because cast off itong figure. Tatanggal yung kanyang bra part and panty part. So, wala ako ibang masasabi. Napakaganda talaga ng quality. So, kung hanap nyo is isang resin figure na affordable price and napakaganda ng quality, this one's for you. This figure is 10 out of 10 figure. Considering its price, hindi siya ganun kamahal. Compared sa ibang mga cast-off figures, ito yung affordable price. Pero hindi tinipid sa quality. So kung ikaw ay isang One Piece collector or just collecting waifu figures, this one's for you. So hindi pwedeng mawala ito sa collection mo. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share the video. Goodbye.